through sun B salutations 2 times. Feel free to practice on the floor or on a yoga mat. And you can pause or replay this video at any time. Let's get started. We're going to start in downward facing dog. Move your feet to your hands, hanging forward fold. Come up to a halfway lift. Forward fold again. Bring your toes to touch and heels just slightly apart as you come up into chair pose. Sit back. Tilt your hips inward. Sink your hips. Open up your hands. Nice big inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Bring your hands to your mat. High plank to low plank. Up dog to downward facing dog. Sweep your right foot forward for warrior one. Stay here just a moment. Bring your hands to your mat. Move through your high plank to low plank. Up dog to down dog. Warrior one on the right. Stay here for just a moment. As I said, try to copy my body movements as much as possible. Nice job. Bring your hands to your mat. Move through high plank, low plank, up dog to down dog. Walk your feet to meet your hands, hanging forward fold. Come up to halfway lift. Forward fold. Toes to touch, heels just slightly apart. Come up to a chair pose. And fold. Halfway lift. And fold. Bring your hands to your mat. Move through your vinyasa, high plank, low plank, up dog to down dog. Right leg sweeps forward, warrior one. Back foot sweep spins out to about 10 o'clock. Nice job. Move through your high plank, low plank, up dog, down dog. Left leg sweeps forward for a warrior one. Back foot spins out to about 2 o'clock. Bring your hands to your mat. Move through your vinyasa. High plank to low plank, up dog to down dog. Walk your feet forward, hanging forward fold. Come up to halfway lift. Fold again. Toes to touch, heels just slightly apart. Legs are pressing and zipped up together. Come up to a chair pose. And that was the end of our sun Bs. Go ahead and take a seat.